million of
In
views.
verse 22, that time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Jonathan John S. Mendoza, together with
Precious Jewel Miastosina!
representing Zone 3!
Example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. 1 Timothy 4:12. This verse reminds us that being a youth is not a barrier, but a calling to live by example and honor God in all we do. Ria Bailon Soria, 15!
Kevin Ogatis, 16.
Proud and honored to represent Zone 4!
Hoy, 16! Ha! Mas magulang pa sa lagi! Wala ka pa po! Pero nagkakos lang viewers!
Submissive,
Respectful,
disciplined,
inspirational,
a youth dedicated to faith and service. I am Vishri Mihoy Andam.
and I am Navy G